Well, hello everybody.
Hello, hi, and welcome.
We are back together and we got free tickets to go see the elephants. That is on top of our admission that we had to pay for.
Yes, so we're annual pass holders or members, as Brian says.
I don't know what they call them, but us being Disney and Universal, we are annual pass holders to the Omaha Zoo. We're really excited. Actually, speaking of that, it only cost us, what was it, $190 for the whole entire year, including the safari park out west towards Lincoln.
Yeah.
So it's really exciting because now we can actually go and see some things. But today is really doom and gloomy. It's really cold.
But we're super excited because we get to see a baby elephant.
Yes. Well, there's two of them. I don't know if you knew that. There's two of them.
Yes, there's a boy and a girl.
Yeah, so I'm hoping that we can see them. There was only 15-minute increments, and we're running a little bit late to go over and see them. But if you guys are new here, hello, hi, and
welcome.
don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification.
Share with your family and friends.
Yes.
Help us get to 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah, definitely.
We're getting closer and closer every single day.
Every single day.
Thank you guys so much to our fan bam.
Yeah, and we're really excited because, like, I've never seen a baby elephant, and I just want to see one.
I want to see what new stuff they have because we haven't been here in a few years either.
Officially, we came here for the trick or treat thing that they did, but
not everything was open.
Yeah.
And we didn't see because they had so much construction going on when we were living here. I think there still is construction, but who knows?
Yeah. So when it gets warmer, we're going to come here and do a lot of we want to be your channel. We want to be your channel for the Omaha Zoo, so that you come, you can see construction updates, you can see different things that they're opening.
Like we said, share with your family and friends. Have a whole group come out, make it a day.
Yeah.
Have birthday parties. I don't know if they have birthday parties here. We'll find that out.
Yeah. We're running a little bit late, so we're going to go ahead and cut this off, and we're going to jump in, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. and seeing the baby elephant.
We saw one. We saw the little boy who's super, super cute.
Yeah.
You sit there for 15 minutes. So like they're like, all right, come back later.
Yeah. They have like 40 to 50 tickets per time slot.
It might be too much, I think, because you're trying to get a view and move around.
Yeah, and they get like a little stage that you can stand on. But it doesn't matter, we're still short. Yeah,
they give some facts and stuff, but we've got some pretty good pictures. We'll either post them or we'll post the videos. Yeah. I'm sure you'll see videos.
Well, if you haven't followed our Instagram, then
yeah, exactly. Or our TikTok.
Yeah, so you have to go and follow us. It's Echo Travel Adventures on Instagram to see the pictures. But I really like the fact that there was like an opening in like the little bamboo thing.
It was cute.
And we were to get pictures in there and stuff. It was so cool to kind of like look like we were in the wild, like observing them. I don't know.
We just didn't know what to say because we were so fascinated. We're like, he's so cute.
Right, I know. Well, so when I was over on the stage, 'cause I was trying to get a better view for us, she was talking about how the act works of labor and and the making of the baby. It's a whole big crowd thing, man. Like all the whole herd watches. That's what she said, and they hoop and holler and everything. That's what she was saying. I was like,
because they're gonna have babies.
I know, but the gestation period is 2 years. Could you imagine being pregnant for 2 years? If you have kids, was 9 months long enough, or was it not long enough? 'Cause I mean,
well, I'm sure that when you are pregnant, you're like, get this thing out of me. And then when you're not pregnant, you're like, oh, I want to be pregnant.
But if you knew it was going to be 2 years, I think mindset, you can actually be like, okay, I'm good. I'm on month 18. I don't know. We're being silly. But we're going to kind of, this is it for us. We're going to keep looking around. Maybe go to the butterfly.
We'll see what we can do because it's a little cold and it just poured rain. So we're going to kind of see like the new stuff if we can. If not, we'll try to do what we can. Yeah,
for sure. Definitely the butterflies because Amber loves the butterfly exhibit. Maybe the aquarium for me, but mostly for her.
Well, we're annual pass holders now.
I know. It's so weird saying annual pass holders, but no, we're not annual pass holders, huh?
But we all are.
I know. We're members of the zoo.
No, we're annual pass holders.
Oh my goodness. Look at these giraffes. It's sitting all proper too, has his legs crossed. They have a whole bunch. Look at this.
Is that Arthur?
I don't know.
Look.
And then they have Arthur. I don't know which one's Arthur, but it was born last year, so it's a baby. Where's the small one at? It's right there. That's Arthur. It's on the other side. I don't know why I'm whispering.
I know, I was going to ask you that.
Alright, this is Arthur and this is his mama. Maybe. We only can assume. But they got a whole bunch. They got another one back there. They got one back here. Yeah. The giraffes are probably like, we're from Africa. Keep us in the warmth. But this is really cool. What if you're a giraffe and you're afraid of heights?
But how could you be?
I don't know. Alright, we're going to head on to a different thing. These are the meerkats. They're sleeping. It's so cool. Must be cold in there too. Poor things. And in case you didn't know, some information. No, I can't believe they only have 2 out though. So last time we came here was like when we first started our channel. So please don't look back on our channel to see that video.
I was proud of that video.
But we're going in to see the butterflies and the insects. By far, probably one of our favorite exhibits here at the zoo. So here's a whole bunch of the, yeah, the metamorphosis of the whole process. Oh my God, I can't talk today. My head is cold, it's throwing me off.
A group of butterflies is called a rabble.
Oh, cool.
There are 4 stages. Yeah, egg larva, pupa, adult.
And metamorphosis.
Metamorphosis. I was right. I didn't even look at it.
Well, you're taking natural science today, this semester.
No, I know, but I studied butterflies and metamorphosis. So I remember that from school.
So they have a whole bunch of different ones. I think by far, always, these are my favorite.
The blue ones, the white ones, like
Yeah.
we have for our Christmas tree.
I caught that on Animal Crossing. Yeah, we do have those for our Christmas tree. I forgot.
And then there's more green.
Wow, they have a whole bunch. Ooh, that green one's pretty cool too. I think there's some. Look at that one in the middle, like pink. Oh, it's right here. Wow. Australia. And this is the place that gives everyone heebie-jeebies. Insects. We always rush through the insects because it's gross.
Hey, that was on the mummy.
This one?
Yeah, a beetle.
Or Hercules beetle.
Hercules beetle.
Oof. Watch this. Amber, does it make you feel like you have things crawling over you?
Remember they did like quiz and we could do those?
Yeah. Ew, it's a cockroach. Black soldier fly. Wow. No, thank you. I didn't realize how hot it was in that butterfly one.
Yeah.
Ew. These are called yellow belly flower beetle. Every time you see,
Roly-polies.
yeah. Oh, these are black beauty walking sticks. Okay, they don't look like walk sticks to me, but it's like, hey, what you doing?
Spider right here. Which one is the poisonous butterfly? This one or this one?
The left.
This one you said?
Yeah. Well, because you already looked. Oh, I think that was the only one that was working too when we came here before. Yeah. We have a big old spider right here.
No.
I was looking for him. You see him? Where's he at?
Right here.
At the top.
Oh, cool. Oh, yeah.
You can have them.
I was going to say, Chris, do you want to take a look? No.
Thank you anyway. I'll watch this over. Ant tunnels.
Oh, that's so cool. That's what they should have. That would be really cool to see.
Yeah, but if it breaks,
Dee 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 dee. They have a bird's partridge. That's what a partridge looked like. We always sing about it in Christmas. Is there a pear tree?
you know what a pear tree is. Oh, they're right there.
Yeah. Look, these are partridges. Hi, buddy.
Won't be on camera.
Hi.
Hi. You're so pretty.
That was so cool.
Hi, dude.
I am on it.
No, you had his head come
Oh.
off on there. Look at how pretty. Check me out. Look, look,
Work it, girl.
look at me.
showing off. I missed it. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
It is 39 degrees. March 4th.
Yeah, it dropped down.
Like 10 degrees. But we are completely done. If you made it this far, it was fantastic. The baby elephants.
So cute. The giraffes were cool. Those were new. Of course, we go to the butterfly because that's what we like to do.
That hummingbird was beautiful.
Yeah, it was cool.
And they were so funny. Every time I took a drink, it was like. It was
we were
awesome.
there for about 2 hours. We got some food there.
Yeah.
They're like little tiny pizzas,
like
that big, for like $7.58.
Yeah. Pretty expensive.
Yeah.
But
it was fun.
yeah, no, I actually, I didn't see the elephant because I was expecting it to kind of be bigger, but no, that thing was like that big. Yeah. I mean, when it was next to its mom, it was tiny.
Yeah, and it kept hiding around her legs and stuff. It was cute. And then the mom, towards the end, I'm sure you guys saw, she came around and showed him off.
Yeah, for sure.
It's cute.
But if you haven't done so, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification. Don't forget to like and comment.
Share with your family and friends.
Yes.
We're almost to 1,000. Thank you, family.
We are.
We're so grateful for you guys.
Yes.
We love seeing those comments. We try to comment back, like Brian was saying. If you dislike a video, please tell us why.
Yeah.
In a nice way, to help us out for future videos.
Yeah, and I don't know how long they're going to be doing the visitations for the two babies.
Yeah.
But
we'll make reservations like you would do for Disney and stuff like that.
Yeah, when I post the video, I'll try to make sure I put down below the link so you can go. But if you haven't done so, also go to our Instagram page because we do post a lot of pictures there and all that kind of stuff. Yeah. But if you made it this far, guys, thank you so much, and we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye, guys.